Poor Sahiba was rescued by guardians of all voiceless. It's hell for animals here on the street. Sahiba was found with both of her back legs broken and one front leg wounded. He couldn't bear the eyesight of her protruding hip bone. She was reported all alone in the rain, drenched and dragging her tiny body. Someone put her in an abandoned car without food and water. Can you imagine the pain she's going through along with an empty stomach? Death may even be better than enduring this type of suffering. We were informed by a local police officer about her. Our team of guardians rushed to her and took her to the local vet. After her X-rays, the vet referred us to Vet University for further treatment. One of her legs is definitely going to need amputation. We will try the rest with repairing surgery. Letting her go may relieve her from the pain, but we aren't just yet to give up on her. We believe her will to live. Please support Guardians of all Voiceless.